Welcome to Bindu's Maths class. Today's topic is about expanded form of numbers. Here, today we'll meet Miss Mona. Hi Mona. She wants to count the numbers of pop sticks. She arranged the pop sticks to 3 groups. In the first group, she tied 10 pop sticks as a bundle and she put 2 pop sticks separately, and she wants to know how many pop sticks does she has. Let us count. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Children, look into 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. How it looks like? It looks like 2 is in the ones position and 1 is in the tens position, so that 12 can be written as 10 plus 2. Is it, children? The same way she kept another group. In that group, what she have done? She tied 2 bundles of sticks, each are having 10. And she put separately as 3. Now let us count 10 plus 10 as 20 and count 3 to add 20. It will get 23. How it looks? 3 is in the ones place and 2 is in the tens place. So the place value of 2 is 20 and the place value of 3 is ones. We write together 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. Is it, children? Yes. And the next one is, the next group, she had tied 100 as a bundle, 10 as another bundle, and she kept 1. Yes. Now let us count 100 plus 10 plus 1 is equal to 111. Here we can see 111 can be written as 100 because 1 is in the hundreds place, 10 as it is in the tens place, and 1 as it is in the ones place. So the notation of writing the place values of the given digits is called the expanded form. Yes, children? So, where this expanded form can be used in our life? Yes. Can you guess? Yes. You can see in the banks, there is a forms available in the banks. In that banks, you have to write some denominations and you have to add together, then it will become some amount. Yes. After that, you have to write it in words. The same thing you have to apply in the banks whenever you learn the expanded form. Here, take an example. In your kiddie bank, there are 2 notes of 2000 rupees, 3 notes of 100 rupees, 2 notes of 10 and 5 coins of 1 rupee. Total, how much amount do you have? Let us have the denomination of these notes and add together. We'll get the total amount. So we'll write here 2 notes of 2000 is 4000. 3 notes of 100 is 300. 2 notes of 10 is 20. 5 notes of 1 is equal to 5 rupees. Yes. So here, what is the denomination you have to write there? 4000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5. Here it is. Now what is the total? 4325. Look into here. This is in the form of writing the numbers using the place values of its own digits. Yes. So suppose we have, as you know the building blocks, we have hundreds, tens and ones. In the ones place there are 4, tens place 4, hundreds place 1. Now coming to here, what is the place value of 1? The place value of 1 is 100 because 1 is in the hundreds place. What is the place value of 4? 4 in the tens place. So the place value of 4 is 40. What is the place value of 4? 4 in the ones place. So the place value of 4 is 4. Therefore, 100 plus 40 plus 4 is called the expanded form of 144. Then, what the 144 it can be known as? 144 can be known as the standard form, as it is a fixed number. We are not going to write any place values as a digits. So, let us have a definition of expanded form. What is an expanded form? Expanded form is the way to write the numbers by showing the place value of each digit. Let us learn more about the place expanded form. Here is a number 5437. Where is the 7? 7 is in the ones place. What is the place value of 7? Is 7 itself. What is the place value of 3? 3 is in the tens place. So we write it as 30. What is the place value of 4? 4 in the hundreds place. So the place value of 4 is 400. What is the place value of 5? 5 is in the thousands place. So that the place value of 5 is 5000. Now let us look into the expanded form of 5437. So what is the place values of 5437 are 5430 and 7. So that the expanded form is 5000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 7 is the expanded form of 5437. Let us take another example. 2386. What is the place value of 6? 6 is in the ones place. So the place value of 6 is 6. What is the place value of 8? As 8 is in the tens place, the place value of 8 is 80. What is the place value of 3? The place value of 3 is 300, as 3 in the hundreds place. The place value of 2 is 2000 because 2 is in the thousands place. Now coming to the expanded form of 2386. So 2 is in the place value of 2 is 2000, 3 is 300, 8 is 80 and 6 is 6 only. Let us write the expanded form. 2000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 6 is the expanded form of 2386. Here I have written the number in words. You can also known as the number name. Let us have some examples having the 0. So if the 0 is there in the number, then how we have to write? Let us look into the question number 1. Example 1. 4565. As it does not contain any zeros, so simply we can write it as 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 5. And the next one, 6932. Same as 6 in the thousands place, 9 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. So the expanded form of 6932 is 6000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 2. Coming to the third one, here you can observe 0 in the tens digit. So what is the place value of 0 here? 0 in the tens place. So 0 into 10 is equal to 0. That only we have to write it in the expanded form. 4 in the thousands place is equal to 4000. 6 in the hundreds place, 600. 0 in the tens place, 0. 1 in the ones place, 1. So what is the expanded form of 4601? 4000 plus 600 plus 0 plus 1. Coming to the fourth one, 5043. Here where is the 0? 0 is in the hundreds place. So 0 into 100 is equal to 0. Then we put 0 in the hundreds place. Then 5 is in the thousands place. 5000 plus 0 is the hundreds place. 0 plus 4 in the tens place. 40. 3 in the ones place. 3. Therefore, the expanded form of 5043 is 5000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 3. Coming to the fifth one, 9780. 9 is in the thousands place, so we write. The fifth one is 9780. The place value of 9 is 9000. The place value of 7 is 700. The place value of 8 is 80. And the place value of 0 is 1. 1 in the ones place 0 is there. So 0 ones are 0. So that the expanded form of 9780 is 9000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 0. Let us end the class with a few recap. The definition of the expanded form is the expanded form of the number is used to show the place value of each digit. Let us have the expanded form of 6823. The place value of 6 is 600,000. The place value of 8 is 800. The place value of 2 is 20. The place value of 3 is 3. So that the expanded form of 6823 is 6000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 3. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, my class, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.